doors don't open no more, but they still remember who closed them. I wrote her name on a shut door. Didn't mean nothing, just needed more. Pain still wet, my heart still sore. Ain't no welcome sign there no more. That door once opened to a smile, now it creaks and groans in style. Every time the wind blows through, feels like she's walking back too soon. I wrote her name on a shut door, like a fool begging for before. 5-4. Guess I'm talking to the wood and pain, trying to pray but I just can't.